And welcome to a new project which is called Drawing Squares. So this project, one of the key ideas of this project is it involves something called user interface design. And I want to spend a second right now talking to you about what is user interface design. User interface design is anything that computer makers do to make something usable. So let's take a look at this Google page right now. Watch what happens when I move the mouse over this Amazon thing. Do you see how that little gray box came around it? And if I move the mouse away, the gray box turns away. Also notice that the arrow changed into a hand. If I go here, it changes into a hand. This tells me visually what thing I'm hovering over. Also, these little three dots pop up. If I click on these three little dots, it tells me more. Notice that done is highlighted. And you can even see that the word cancel highlights a little bit when I go over there. Watch what happens when I click on done. Okay, it changes. When I scroll to the top of the screen with my mouse, this pops up. If I click on File, it turns blue and then more things snap up. If I scroll down here, the blue bar follows my mouse. And if I were to say New Tab, just check out what happens with this blue. Did you see how it blinked a second there? I'll show you again. New Tab, blink, blink. So that is all an example of user interface design. It's whatever you do as a programmer to make your project more usable for the person who's using the project. So the project that we're going to do, called Drawing Squares, does some things with user interface design, and I will be talking to you about those things.